Hi everyone and welcome back, and in this video what we're going to go over is your app's colors. Alright, so now I'm on the actual colors tab, and what I want to do is work with either my general, my header, my home page, all the way down the color scheme of each individual layer of my application. Alright, so what I recommend doing is, instead of actually editing like this inside of the app setting where it shows everything at once, what you want to do is come over here and select on list instead. All right, now by selecting on list, it's only going to show the colors that you hover over. So if we're over general, it's going to show those colors only on our preview. If we come to header, home page, the same thing all the way down your list here. Okay, and the reason why it's doing this is so that you know exactly what colors you're changing. Now, for example, let's say if we come over here, let's come to my home page, select on my button. So I like how it looks, however, I want to change the color of my actual image on my icon. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to match my text here and pull it over to white. And then we're just going to get out of here like so. So once I actually come over here and come and refresh my page, I'll be able to see that I have white icons now. All right, so let's come back here to list. Now, another thing that we can do is, let's say that we like this color here, but we want it to be a little more transparent so that we can see through, so it's not so solid. All we have to do is come to our background, come here to this icon, and drag it to our liking. So let's say we like it this way, but now we want it a little bit brighter. We can come over here. We can brighten up this color some like so, and make this a tad bit brighter. All right, now once we do that, once again, come out, come back in to refresh, and then you'll see your transparency working. Okay, look at this cool effect you have here. All right, there you have it. Now, one other thing that you can do that I want to show you on this color page is, let's say that you want to keep this color scheme throughout most of your application. So let's say we come here. If you come down to this number sign down here, you can actually copy this, okay, and paste this anywhere else. So let's say we come down here to our list, and just for an example, or not, maybe not here, it's a little bright. Let's come here on our card. So let's say on the card item, we do the text here, and then we come down here and paste in our color. Now we're going to see the color scheme change here on this particular part of our app. All right, this is going to help you keep the same color wave throughout everything as you're editing. All right, so I'll talk to you next tutorial, and thank you for listening.